We're going to talk a little bit now today about how to actually apply for what's called a US E2 Treaty Investor Visa. And as we've discussed previously, the E2 Investor Visa is a visa that allows individuals from about 80 countries around the world that have special treaties of trade and commerce with the United States and their own country. And under this type of treaty, it allows for a special visa for those who want to make a substantial investment in a business that they're going to have a development and directorship role. And as we've talked about previously, this can be in any type of business. For example, gas stations, in convenience stores, and so forth. Also, investing in an individual's own company, for example, consulting businesses. And how do you actually apply for this type of visa? Step one, this involves working with a law firm in the United States that will give you the guidance and direction on what type of documents to acquire and to prepare. We have a special checklist that is designed specifically for E2 visas. This includes all types of civil documents. For example, the US only accepts certain types of birth certificates. They have to be gotten from special and specific agencies within that country of that individual. So we have the correct guidance and procedures for that. Also, the investor has to decide on what type of business they want to make their investment into. And so if they don't have an idea to do that, we can help them to select a franchise, which is very popular for the E2 visa, or to speak with one of the business brokers that we work with all throughout the United States that can provide them a list of open and available businesses that are out there at the budget that they want to spend for this type of visa. Once the individual has selected that investment, they would make that investment and secure that business opportunity. After that time, we collect all of the required documents and we prepared the special legal memorandum and immigration documentation that we submit to the US Embassy or the consulate abroad to participate in this program. The embassy or the consular officer will review this information and within 30 to 60 days generally schedules an interview appointment for that individual at the embassy abroad. These interviews are generally very straightforward, but the investor should be fully prepared to discuss why it is that they want to invest in the specific opportunity that they've chosen and how it is that they think this investment is going to be successful. And that involves going through a 5-year business plan with financial projections and estimates and showing the government that this is a really serious thing that the investor is doing and this is going to work out in the long term, and for XYZ reasons, this is going to be the case. Once the immigrant or the investor visa interview has been scheduled and taken, usually within about a week, the investor gets the passport back with the E2 investor visa, and that individual can go to the United States under that status.